Natural way to get rid of Japanese beetles. Japanese beetles first appeared in the United States during the 20th century. The beetles are commonly widespread in the Midwest and eastern United States. The beetles, which do not have natural predators, destroy landscapes and gardens. If you don't wish to apply a commercial insecticide, get rid of the Japanese beetles naturally, to reduce the population so that they do not ruin your plants. Things you'll need: gloves, bucket, soapy water, repellent plants, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 cup water, 1 package yeast, 1 mashed banana, 1 empty gallon-size milk jug. Wear gloves to prevent touching the beetles directly. Pick the Japanese beetles off plants and place them in a bucket filled with soapy water. Alternately, place the bucket or container under the plant and shake it until the beetle falls in. Add plants that the beetles despise in your garden. The smell that emits from nasturtium, chives and marigolds repels the beetles and keeps them away from your garden. Japanese beetles also do not enjoy junipers, begonias and boxwood. Set up bait traps to kill the beetles. Combine 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Add 1 package of yeast to the water. Mix in 1 mashed banana and pour the mixture into a 1-gallon milk jug. Place the jug in your garden.